Welcome to our data science roadmap. If you are eager to dive into the world of data science but unsure where to start, you have come to the right place. In this guide, we will take you by the hand and walk you through a clear step-by-step journey to becoming a proficient data scientist. We understand that vast array of topics and tools can be overwhelming. So we have carefully curated this roadmap to ensure you cover all the essential areas without feeling lost. So in this guide, we will walk you through exactly what topics you need to cover in data science. So we'll explain what you need to know from the basics to advanced concepts and provide clear instructions on how to learn each and every topic.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
Just a quick info for you. If you want to upskill yourself, master data science skills, land your dream job, or grow your career, then you must explore Simplilearn's cohort of various data science programs. Simplilearn offers data science postgraduate program from Purdue University in collaboration with IBM. Through this program, you will gain knowledge and work-ready expertise in skills like perspective analytics, predictive analytics, regression, classification, and over a dozen of others. So if you are passionate about making your career in this field, then make sure to check out the link in the pinned comments and the description box to find the data science program that fits your experience and areas of interest. So without further ado, let's get started. So let's get started with the topic 1. So in this video, we will be covering topic wise. So the first topic is Python. So this is the topic number 1. Python is like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages, versatile, easy to learn, and incredibly powerful. Here's the roadmap to get you started. First, there is variables. So think of variables as containers that hold data. In Python, you can store different types of data like number or text in these containers. Learn how to create variables and the rules for naming them. Then you can understand numbers. Python supports various types of numbers. Get familiar with integers, int, floating point numbers, that is float, and even complex numbers. Then there is strings. So strings are sequences of characters. Learn how to create, manipulate, and format strings. Discover methods for slicing, concatenation, and formatting strings. So now how to learn this? So you can learn this by online resources or by reading articles. They provide structured learning paths and interactive exercises. You can also check out Simplilearn playlist of Python. Alright, then you have to do the practice. Use interactive coding platforms to do the practice of this one. Practice makes a man perfect, so you have to do the practice of it. These platforms offer problems that help reinforce your understanding. Alright, the next one is functions. So functions are reusable blocks of code that perform a specific task. Learn how to define functions, pass parameters, and return values. Understand the concept of scope and how it affects variables. The next is lambda functions. So these are small anonymous functions defined with lambda keyword. They are useful for simple operations and can be used wherever function objects are required. Alright, then there is modules. So modules allow you to organize your code into separate files. Learn how to create and import modules. Understand the difference between standard library and third-party modules. Alright, next one is exception handling. So exception handling, in this one, you have to learn how to handle errors gracefully using try, except, finally, and else blocks. This ensures your programs can handle unexpected issues without crashing. If you guys want, you can also note down these topics, or else you can go through this video. Alright, the next one is classes and objects. So classes and objects. So you have to dive into the object-oriented programming, that is OOP. Learn how to define classes, create objects, and use methods and attributes. Understand concepts like encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Alright, so this was about the topic 1, that is Python. Now coming to the topic 2 that you have to go through, that is NumPy. So NumPy is like the backbone of numerical data handling in Python, making it crucial tool for anyone stepping into data science. Here's a roadmap to get you started. So first one on the list is NumPy arrays. So unlike regular Python lists, NumPy arrays can store multiple dimensions of data, making them the perfect for handling matrices or even higher dimensional data. Learn how to create and manipulate these arrays. Then there is array creation. So understanding different ways to create arrays using functions like arrays, zeros, ones, and arrange them. The next one is array indexing. So learn how to access specific elements, rows, or slices of data within an array. Now talking about how to learn it. So documentation and tutorials. Start with the official NumPy documentation and beginner tutorials online. You can also have a look at Simplilearn's playlist. You can also go through various articles and blogs. From there, you can have a proper structured format of learning. Third one is interactive practice. Use platforms like Jupyter, Notebook, or Google Colab to write and run NumPy code interactively. So this was about NumPy. So if you want more clarity on these, Simplilearn has a proper playlist for it. You can go through the entire playlist. There you will get all these topics that I've just mentioned. So you don't need to worry. If you guys want, I can also attach the link of the playlist in the description. All right, now coming to the topic 3. So topic number 3 is data analysis. So it's all about making sense of data, finding patterns, and drawing meaningful conclusions. It's a crucial step in the data science journey, where you will just turn the data into insights. Here's what you need to know. First one is data cleaning. So handling missing data. So this one, data often comes with gaps or missing places. Learn how to deal with this using techniques like filling in the blanks, imputation, or removing incomplete data points. You will need to decide the best approach depending on the situation. Then the next one is standardizing data. Data can come in different formats like dates, written in various ways, or inconsistent text. Learn how to use and standardize this data to make it usable. Then there is dealing and outliers. Sometimes there are values in your data that are way off compared to the rest. These are called outliers and can mess up your analysis. Learn how to detect and handle them. All right, so now talking about the part where we'll tell you how to learn it. So Pandas library. Start with the Pandas, a powerful Python library for data manipulation. Get familiar with the functions like dropna to handle missing data, then fillna for imputation, andstype for data type conversion. Then you can also go through the practice data sets, use real-world data sets for sites like Kaggle or Data.gov, or practicing with different data sets will help you understand common issues and how to address them. So here practicing is the main thing that you should focus on. All right, so this was about the topic 3, that was data analysis. Now moving on to the next topic, that is the topic 4, which is maths and statistics. So maths and statistics are the backbone of data science. They help you understand and interpret data accurately. Here what you need to know. First, descriptive statistics. So mean, median, mode. These are the basic measures of central tendency, helping you understand the average behavior in your data. Then there is variance and standard deviation. So these tells you how spread out your data is. Are the values close together or widely scattered? So all these things, so this descriptive statistics tell you. Then talking about how to learn it. You can start with simple data sets and calculate these measures manually, and then with the tools like Excel or Python. This hands-on practice helps solidify your understanding. Then there is probability. So learn the fundamentals like probability of events, conditional probability, and independence. This forms the base of understanding data distributions and make predictions. Then distributions. Get to know commonly probability distribution like normal, binomial, or Poisson. Each distribution helps describe different types of data. Now talking about how to learn it, use online resources and videos to understand, probability concepts, practice with exercises to apply these ideas to real-world scenarios. So in this way, you can easily do that. It's not that difficult. All right, coming to the topic number 5, which is SQL, that is structured query language. SQL is a powerful tool for managing and manipulating databases. It's essential for data scientists to interact with data stored in relational databases. Here's what you need to learn. So basics of relational databases, that is table, rows, and columns. Understand how data is structured in tables, which consist of rows, and columns, that is fields. Each table in a relational database represents a specific type of data, like customers or orders, primary keys and foreign keys. Learn how primary keys uniquely identify each record in a table and how foreign keys are used to link tables together, establishing relationship between them. Then how should you learn it? So starting with the basics using online tutorials or courses that explain database concepts. Visualize how data is organized and related with the database schema. The next one is basic queries. So select statement. This is a fundamental SQL command used to retrieve data. Learn how to specify the columns you want to filter records using the where clause. Then insert, update and delete. These commands allow you to add, modify and remove data from the tables. Understand the importance of these operations and how to use them safely. So now how to learn it? Practice writing simple SQL queries to select and manipulate data. Use free resources that you get online, and you can also go through the videos. Try working with sample databases to get hands-on experience. All right. Then there are joins. So in joins, you should learn inner join. This type of join retrieves records that have matching values in both tables. It is used to combine related data from different tables. Then there is left join, also known as left outer join. This retrieves all records from the left table and all matched records from the right table. If there is no match, the result is null from the right side. Then there is right join, also known as right outer join, and full join. So these are similar to left join but from the opposite table. And full join returns all records when there is a match in one of the tables. Alright, I hope you guys understand that. Now to learn it, talking about how to learn this, practice with different types of joins using real world scenarios. For example, combining customer and order data to see which customer have made purchases, use SQL practice platforms or database management tools. There are many things that you can start with. Alright, coming to the topic number 6, which is machine learning. So machine learning is the core of data science, where you teach computers to learn from data and make predictions on decisions. Here's the roadmap to get you started with it. That is the pre-processing thing. That is data cleaning. Just like in data analysis, you just need to clean your data before feeding it into the model. This involves handling missing values, correcting inconsistencies, and removing duplicates. Then there is feature scaling. Learn techniques like normalization and standardization to scale your features, ensuring that all data points are on a comparable scale. This is important for algorithms that are sensitive to range of data like k-nearest neighbors or neural networks. Then there is encoding categorical data. Convert categorical variables like color or category names into numerical format using methods like one-hot encoding or label encoding. Then there is how should you learn it. Use Python libraries like pandas for data cleaning and skitlearn for pre-processing functions. Practice with datasets to see how pre-processing affects model performance. So yeah, this was about the topic 6, which is machine learning. Now moving on to the topic number 7 that you should learn is model building. So supervised learning, first thing is, this includes regression, practicing continuous values and classification. Start with algorithms like linear regression, decision trees, and support vector machines. Then there is unsupervised learning. So learn about clustering, grouping similar data points, and dimensional reduction, reducing the number of features. Key algorithms including k-means, hierarchical clustering, and PCA, that is principal competent analysis. So these are the things that you should work or learn on. Then how to learn it? Use skitlearn to build and evaluate models, work through real data sets from sources like Kaggle to practice learning. Then participate in Kaggle competition to apply your skills in real world scenarios. Then coming to the topic number 8, which is deep learning. So deep learning is just like a human does. It's about building artificial brains called neural networks that can recognize patterns in a massive amounts of data. Imagine showing a kid thousands of pictures of cats and dogs and they eventually learn to tell them apart. That's what deep learning does, but with numbers and computers. To get started, you'll need to understand the basics. Learn how neural networks are structured and how they process information. Teach the network. Figure out how to train these networks to improve their guesses over time. Then specialize. Focus on specific types of data like images with CNNs or sequences like text. Use the right tools. Learn to use powerful libraries like TensorFlow or PyTorch to build and experiment with different networks. Then fine-tune your models. Make sure your network is performing its best by testing it and making adjustment. If you want to be at the forefront of data science and work on the cutting-edge projects, understanding deep learning is essential. So this was about deep learning. So this was the thing that you should work on or you should learn to get started on this journey. Now coming to the part where we will be telling you about the other parts of this roadmap, that is the resume preparation. All right, imagine your resume as a first impression. It's your one-page sales pitch to land that dream data science job. Recruiters skim through dozens, maybe hundreds of these every day. So you need to stand out. So first thing that you should keep in mind is quantify your achievements. So instead of saying analyze data, say increase sales by 15% through the customer segmentations, numbers speak louder. All right, that is the quantify your achievement. Now coming to the second thing, which is highlighting problem solving. So show how your data skills tracked real world challenges. Did you build a model that reduced cost or improved efficiency? Showcase that. Then the third thing that you should keep in mind is tailor to the job. Every role is different. Customize your resume to match the specific skills and responsibilities listed in the job description. Then there is demonstrate your tool set. Python, R, SQL, and the like are essential, but don't just list them. Show how you use them in the projects. The next is explain complex concepts smoothly. Assume the reader might not have a deep technical background. Use clear and concise language to make them understand better. Then highlight soft skills. Data science is as much about people as it's about data. Communication, teamwork, and problem solving are crucial. Alright, so this was about the resume preparation. Now talking about the other side of it, which is portfolio website. So imagine you are at a job interviewing or pitching to a potential client. You have got your resume and cover letters ready. But how do you really show them off your data science jobs? That's where your portfolio website comes in. So first thing that you should keep in mind is showcase data projects. So display real-world data science projects like predictive models or data visualizations. For example, if you developed a model to forecast stock price, you can include the code, results, and visualization. Next is demonstrate analytical process. Show how you approach data problems from cleaning and exploring datasets to building and evaluating models. This helps potential customers see your end-to-end data science workflow. Then the third one is highlight specialized skill. So focus on the specific areas like machine learning, NLP, or data engineering. If you have worked on a sentiment analysis project, feature it to highlight your expertise in NLP. Alright, so this was about this video on data science roadmap. I hope you guys liked this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope it really helped you all. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and keep learning.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.